Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm going to do another video about another book I got for Christmas. And this is the book, The Nordic Pantry. But before we get into this video, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, here we have the book, The Nordic Pantry, written by Johan Björkman. And here's the thing with this book. This book describes traditional food preserving methods. And I like the word traditional for one reason. It is the old ways on how to preserve food. So we begin with this book's cover, and I think this picture says everything. And the headline on this book says also everything. And I think this is a really beautiful cover for a book like this. And I enjoy a cover who look exactly like this because it's pure beauty. And on the back, how you dry your herbs. Let's open this and see what we can find in this book. And I got this for Christmas. Here is a chapter about how to dry your herbs and how can you dry herbs and flowers and seeds, which is really good, especially if you have heirloom seeds and you have put them in the ground and get new fruit, and you take the seeds and you need to dry them. And it mentions berries, veggies, and fermented veggies, smoked veggies, and you have also a recipe on how to make onion powder, which is really nice. And we have rhubarb vinegar, which is really cool. How to make that. Fermented green tomatoes. I never seen green tomatoes before. I didn't know you fermented green tomatoes, but it's pretty cool anyway. Lemon and black pepper salt. Rosemary salt, how to make that. And we have fermented rhubarbs. That sounds really delicious. And by the way, I like rhubarbs. I really love them. Fermented radishes with mustard seeds, fermented small cucumbers with dill seeds. Yeah. You have different recipes in this book. And we have actually recipe on how to make salsa brava. I have never heard of that one before. Okay, it's onions, red chili, olive oil, garlics, two garlic cloves, tomatoes, smoked bell pepper powder, cherry vinegar, salt, and black pepper. I think I'm gonna try to make that one sometimes when I got time for it. I have also a recipe on sofrito, which is pasta, and that is obviously a traditional dish from Spain, Italy, and France. Okay, cool. Hot sauce. How to make that? I have a recipe on that too. Picada. I have no idea what picada is, but it says you are used a lot in Catalonia. Okay. So this is really nice. And we have black garlic. Okay, that one is new to me. Black garlic. Never heard of it before. And you have another chapter for different dishes you can make. You have recipes for snacks, larger dishes, which probably is a main dish. Fried goat cheese. Okay. If you like that, you might make it. But guys, this looks really beautiful, doesn't it? And you have a lot of recipes in here. You have potatoes with grilled. Forget about it. I can't even pronounce. I can't even find the right word for it. But I have a recipe on how to make dried ague. So that's nice. And we have a recipe on falafel with green peas, which is really nice. Looks like this, by the way. Looks really delicious to me. And you have a register where you can look up things, what pages and other things you can need to are going to make. So consider a book like this as a prepper. It's a good book to have. And I can say a book like this will come in use, because it's something you can learn from. And here's the back again, and here's the front again. But I consider this will be an interesting book to learn from, and I hope I can try to make something from this book and learn. But that will not be today. I have to wait when I have more time. Maybe when I have my vacation or something. I'm gonna figure out something for you guys. Oh boy, this video turned out to be a little bit longer than I expected. But that's all for today's video, guys. Take care, stay safe, and thank you for watching and your support. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So take care, stay safe, stay vigilant. God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.